Today, you will really understand linear functions. Every straight line you can draw fits into one single formula. A linear function is always a straight line, perfectly straight, never curved. And for that, you only need two numbers, m and b. The formula is y equals m times x plus b. Let's start with b. B is the y-intercept. That is where the line crosses the y-axis, here at 1. And m is the slope. It tells you how steeply the line goes up. The best way to see it is the slope triangle, one step to the right, and then m steps up. In general, m is delta y divided by delta x, so the height of the triangle divided by its width. Let's do an example. Y equals 2x plus 1. We start at b equals 1 on the y-axis. From there, one step right and two steps up. Connect them, and there is your line. The sign of m tells you the direction. If m is positive, the line rises towards the right. If m is negative, it falls towards the right instead. And if m is 0, nothing happens at all. The line runs horizontally. Often, you only know 2 points. Then you simply stretch a slope triangle between them. Here we go. 2 to the right and 4 up. 4 divided by 2 gives the slope 2. Remember, b tells you where the line starts. M tells you how many steps it climbs per step to the right. And the sign of m decides whether it rises or falls. Your turn. A line goes through the points A with coordinates 1, 3, and B with coordinates 4, 9. What is its slope? Nine minus 3 makes 6. 4 minus 1 makes 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, so the slope is 2. And now, the other way round. A line has the slope 2 and goes through the point P, 3, 7. What is B? Put the point in. 7 equals 2 times 3 plus B. So 7 equals 6 plus B. That makes B equal to 1.